Artificial intelligence is changing our world. From the way we communicate to the way we work, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. It is a technology that mimics human intelligence and can perform tasks that typically require human cognition, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and even understanding natural language. It is all around us. You might not always notice it, but AI is embedded in many of the devices and services we use every day. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation algorithms on Netflix and Amazon, AI is working behind the scenes to make our lives easier and more efficient. AI powers our smartphones, our cars, and even our homes. It helps us navigate through traffic with GPS systems, provides personalized content on social media, and even manages our smart home devices to create a more comfortable living environment. AI is helping us solve complex problems. In research and development, AI algorithms are being used to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions that were previously impossible. This is accelerating advancements in fields like medicine, climate science, and engineering. It is improving our lives in countless ways. AI-driven technologies are enhancing our productivity, providing us with new forms of entertainment, and even helping us stay healthy by monitoring our fitness and well-being. AI is the ability of machines to learn and think like humans. Through machine learning and deep learning, AI systems can improve their performance over time by processing large amounts of data and learning from their experiences. This technology is rapidly evolving. Every day, researchers and engineers are making breakthroughs that push the boundaries of what AI can do. From natural language processing to computer vision, the capabilities of AI are expanding at an unprecedented rate. It is becoming more sophisticated every day. AI systems are now capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans, such as playing complex games, composing music, and even creating art. AI is poised to revolutionize many industries. From manufacturing and logistics to customer service and retail, AI is being integrated into various sectors to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and create new opportunities for innovation. These include healthcare, finance, and transportation. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases, develop personalized treatment plans, and even assist in surgeries. In finance, AI algorithms are analyzing market trends and making investment decisions. In transportation, AI is powering autonomous vehicles and optimizing traffic management systems. The potential applications of AI are vast and continue to grow as the technology advances. AI agents are a core part of artificial intelligence. Imagine a computer program. This program can act on its own. It can make decisions. It can achieve a specific goal. That's an AI agent. AI agents observe their environment. They gather information. They use this information to make decisions. They then take actions based on those decisions. They operate in various environments. These can be physical or digital. There are several types of AI agents. These agents are designed to perform specific tasks and can be categorized based on their capabilities and the complexity of their decision-making processes. Understanding these types helps us appreciate the diversity and potential of AI technologies. Each type has unique characteristics. These characteristics determine their capabilities and the range of tasks they can perform. By examining these traits, we can better understand how different AI agents operate and what makes them suitable for various applications. Simple reflex agents. These agents react to immediate stimuli. They follow pre-programmed rules. For example, a thermostat that adjusts the temperature based on the current room temperature is a simple reflex agent. It doesn't need to remember past temperatures or predict future ones. It simply reacts to the present condition. They do not consider past experiences. This means that their actions are solely based on the current input they receive. While this makes them fast and efficient for simple tasks, it also limits their ability to handle more complex scenarios that require learning from past interactions. Model-based reflex agents. These agents have a model of the world. This internal model allows them to consider the state of the environment and make more informed decisions. For instance, A self-driving car uses a model of the world to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and follow traffic rules. They use this model to make predictions. By understanding the current state and predicting future states, these agents can plan their actions more effectively. This predictive capability is crucial for tasks that require foresight and adaptability. They can handle more complex situations. This makes them suitable for applications where the environment is dynamic and unpredictable, such as robotics, autonomous vehicles, and advanced gaming AI. Goal-based agents. These agents have a specific goal. They plan their actions to achieve this goal. For example, a chess-playing AI aims to checkmate its opponent. It evaluates different moves and strategies to reach this objective. They aim to achieve the goal efficiently. By optimizing their actions towards the goal, these agents can perform tasks with high precision and effectiveness. This efficiency is particularly valuable in fields like logistics, where achieving goals in the shortest time and with minimal resources is critical. Simple reflex agents are the most basic type of AI agent. They operate on a simple principle. If this happens, then do that. They do not have memory. They do not learn from past experiences. Imagine a thermostat. It is a simple reflex agent. If the temperature drops below a certain point, it turns on the heater. If the temperature rises above a certain point, it turns off the heater. Section 5. Model-based reflex agents. Model-based reflex agents are more sophisticated. They have an internal model of the world. This model helps them make better decisions. They can consider past experiences. Imagine a self-driving car. It is a model-based reflex agent. It uses sensors to perceive its surroundings. It uses its model of the world to predict the movements of other cars. It then adjusts its own movements accordingly. Section 6. Goal-based agents. Goal-based agents are the most advanced type of AI agent. They have a specific goal. They plan their actions to achieve this goal. They can handle complex tasks. Imagine a personal assistant app. It is a goal-based agent. You can ask it to book a flight. It will search for the best options. It will book the flight that meets your criteria. Section 7. Applications of AI agents. AI agents are revolutionizing various sectors, making processes more efficient and enhancing the quality of services provided. Let's delve into some of the key areas where AI agents are making a significant impact. AI agents are used in various industries, from healthcare to finance, transportation to logistics and beyond. Their versatility and ability to learn and adapt make them invaluable tools in today's fast-paced world. They are transforming the way we live and work, enabling us to achieve more with less effort. By automating routine tasks and providing intelligent insights, AI agents free up human workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. In healthcare, AI agents are used to diagnose diseases with remarkable accuracy. They analyze medical images, identify patterns, and provide doctors with critical information that can lead to early detection and better treatment outcomes. They can personalize treatment plans by considering a patient's unique medical history, genetic information, and lifestyle factors. This personalized approach ensures that patients receive the most effective treatments tailored to their specific needs. They can even assist with surgery, providing precision and control that surpass human capabilities. Robotic surgical systems, guided by AI, can perform complex procedures with minimal invasiveness, reducing recovery times and improving patient outcomes. In finance, AI agents are used to detect fraud by analyzing vast amounts of transaction data in real time. They can identify unusual patterns and flag suspicious activities, helping to protect both financial institutions and their customers from fraudulent activities. They can provide personalized financial advice by analyzing an individual's financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. AI-driven financial advisors can offer tailored investment strategies and help clients make informed decisions to achieve their financial objectives. They can automate trading decisions, executing trades at optimal times based on market conditions and predictive analytics. This automation not only increases efficiency, but also reduces the emotional biases that can affect human traders. In transportation, AI agents are used to power self-driving cars, which have the potential to reduce accidents, improve traffic flow, and provide greater mobility for people who are unable to drive. They can optimize traffic flow by analyzing real-time traffic data and adjusting traffic signals accordingly. This can lead to reduced congestion, shorter travel times, and lower emissions, contributing to a more sustainable urban environment. They can improve logistics and delivery services by optimizing routes, managing inventory, and coordinating the movement of goods. AI-powered robots and drones can handle tasks that are dangerous or repetitive, ensuring that products are delivered quickly and efficiently. In customer service, AI agents are used to provide instant support through chatbots and virtual assistants. These AI systems can handle a wide range of inquiries, from answering simple questions to resolving complex issues, enhancing customer satisfaction and reducing wait times. They can also enhance user experiences on digital platforms by providing personalized content recommendations. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, AI agents can suggest relevant articles, videos, and products, keeping users engaged and satisfied. In our homes, AI agents are making life more convenient through smart home technologies. Voice-activated assistants can control lighting, temperature, and security systems, creating a more comfortable and secure living environment. In education, AI agents are used to create personalized learning experiences. They can adapt to each student's learning style and pace, providing customized resources and feedback to help students achieve their academic goals. Even in creative industries, AI agents are making their mark. They can generate art, music, and designs, offering new tools for artists and creators to explore and innovate. The potential of AI agents is vast, and ongoing research continues to push the boundaries of what these intelligent systems can achieve. As AI technology evolves, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications that will shape the future of our world. Section 8. The future of AI agents. The future of AI agents is bright. They are constantly evolving. They are becoming more intelligent. They are becoming more capable. Researchers are working on new types of AI agents. These agents will be able to learn and adapt much faster. They will be able to solve even more complex problems. They will play an even greater role in our lives. Section 9. Conclusion. The importance of understanding AI agents. AI agents are transforming our world. They are making our lives easier. They are helping us solve complex problems. It is essential to understand AI agents. This knowledge will help us navigate the future. It will help us harness the power of AI. It will help us create a better future for everyone.